It's Suren Pandey. Today I am presenting my task 3, data analysis, exploratory data and data history superstore dataset. So, importing all the libraries needed in this module. Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and data head. My data locations, data head. First 5 rows data and data rel. Last 5 rows. Checking the data type, the mode, segment, country, city, state, postal code, and checking the missing values outline if there is sample set. 19,994 rows and 13 columns. Simple descriptions: count, mean, STD, postal, sales, quantity, discount, profit. And sample description including all core data, only for core data, and unique, top, break, mean, tip, mode, segment, country, city, state, total, region, category, and analyzing segments for people buying from the supermarket. Consumer 5,191, corporator 3,020, home office 1,783, and consumer in 50%, segment value 50%, length 50%, and corporate 30%, home office 70%. Plotted the graph segment 50% consumer and corporate in 20-30%, 20-25%, and 0 to 10% home office. Corporate and home office 10 to 20%. Analyzing the mode for supermarket. The mode: standard class, second class, first class, same day. So standard class 59%, and second class 19%, first class 15%, and some same day 5%. Plotted the data and graph: standard 60%, and second first to second 20-25%, and less than same days is less than 0 to 10%. Analyzing category of items in supermarket. Categories: office supply, furniture, technologies. Office supply maximum 50%, 80 to 60 to 80%, and furniture technology 20 to 25%. Analyzing subcategories of items in the supermarket. Subcategories: blenders, papers. These are office supplies, and here tables is furniture, and phones, machines. These are technologies. And plotted the data in consumer rate, corporate value, home office here, and sample pivot table values, and sales in index, segments, columns, and consumer 51%, corporate 58%, home office 9%, and this data is here, and sample pivot and 0.1%. Data is discount 0.1%, so profit is high, and consumers. Segment consumers samples discount is 20%. 20% discount profit. Yeah, supermarket profit. And 80% huge loss, not a profit, huge loss of supermarket. And same, so equal to 20% is profit. Supermarket is profit, and less than equal to 30 is also profit, and greater than 30 to loss of profit to supermarket. And on the above graph, then we conclude that all categories of these technologies and furniture, when it is discount less than 30% in items, sale was going into profit. When discount in greater than 30% in items, superstore in experiencing a huge loss. So loss होगा, and so greater than equal to 30 huge loss. And in final scenario, this is the combined scenario profit of all segments. Thank you everyone.